In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set price on Redbubble. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you, or whatever browser you have downloaded in your PC. It could be Google Chrome, it could be Opera, Microsoft's Edge, Firefox, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So, whenever you open your browser, just go to this URL section and simply type redbubble.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you to this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Redbubble website. So here you'll have simply to click on login so you can log in into your account if you have an account, and simply enter your email username and then password so you can log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on sign up so you can create an account. As you can see, you can create an account as a customer or as an artist. So choose whatever suits you, then simply enter your email, username, and password, and then click on sign up. So once you're logged in or you create your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen of the Redbubble. Here you'll find a lot of products for yourself in this For You page. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to set price. And of course, if you want to do that, simply we will have to add as design. First of all, just click on our account at the top right corner, then click at sell your art. So first of all, if you want to set a price, you'll have to complete these 3 steps. That's each one of them contains its own steps. So make sure to do that. Then once you add your new work, you'll find an option to add the price to it or even change it if needed. So once you have your designs, you can simply click at this review your product's pricing. And here, the markup, you can change the markup of all the products that you have. Let's say an example, for bags, for drawstring bags, you would like to have a 30% markup instead of 20%. That will increase your margin. Of course, it will even increase the retail price. But if your designs are good, make sure to just everyone will pay for that. It's not going to be a big deal, especially if you have or if you're doing a good work. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.